For this video, I will show you how to add music to your Big Cartel. First, go to another tab and search for power.io. You will use this to add a music. So just log into your account or create a new one. Now go to My Apps. Then click on Create New App. Now search for Music and click Music Player and get that app. After that, you can go to Design. Here you can change the layout or customize your music bar. You can change the color for it. You can also display tracks or not. You can also change the fonts, the plugin size, the background and border. Now you can go to content. Here you need to upload your music or your MP3. So add in a file, then upload your MP3. After that, just click on select file. Now your file will be downloaded. You can add in a track title and you can also add in the track artist. You can also upload an image for your music and add in a button. Once done, you can preview it and play it and you will see that your music is working. After that, you can now publish it. So just click on publish on the top right and you can name it if you want. Just click on save. Now it's time to install it on bigcartel. So just copy the code provided and follow the steps. After that, go back to your bigcartel dashboard. Go to your accounts. Scroll down and go to Shop Designer. Once in, select code. And in here you will be able to add integration code, but you need a premium plan for it. What you need to do is to just paste in the code that you copied and you will be able to integrate your music to bigcartel. And that's just it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.